To speak about the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is to speak about a country capable of keeping pace with the rest of the world. A characteristic quality maintained by the kingdom since it was founded by His Majesty the late King Abdulaziz. His sons, who succeeded him to power, maintained the mainstays of his outlook onto the current king of humanity, King Abdullah ibn Abdulaziz, His Royal Highness Crown Prince Sultan ibn Abdulaziz, and His Royal Highness the Second Deputy Premier Prince Naif ibn Abdulaziz. The kingdom has always been a high example of generosity. We have been accustomed to offering hospitality to the pilgrims and visitors who frequent the Holy Kaaba, a tradition that has always reflected the way we welcome commercial delegations and other visitors. Now, we look forward to an important event which offers an excellent opportunity for boosting and enhancing harmonization in Asian laws and legislations affecting medical devices through the 15th meeting of the Asian Harmonization Working Party, sponsored and organized by the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, a hint at the government's attention to this matter and the approval by the custodian of the two holy mosques. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority, SFDA, was established under the Council of Ministers Resolution No. 1 dated the 10th of March 2003 as an independent body corporate reporting directly to the Prime Minister. The authority's mission is to ensure the safety of food and drugs supplied for men and animals, the safety of biological and chemical substance and electronic products. Being the brainchild of His Royal Highness Prince Sultan ibn Abdulaziz, who proposed the idea in 1988, SFDA has enjoyed direct attention and patronage from His Royal Highness Prince Sultan, with the generous follow-up of the custodian of the two holy mosques, King Abdullah ibn Abdulaziz. The main purpose of the SFDA is to regulate, oversee and control food, drug, medical devices, as well as to set mandatory standard specifications thereof, whether they are imported or locally manufactured. The control and/or testing activities can be conducted in the SFDA or other agencies' laboratories. Moreover, the SFDA is in charge of consumers' awareness on all matters related to food, drug and medical devices and all other products and supplies. The medical devices sector is well attended by SFDA, whose greatest attention is focused on safety, quality and effectiveness of medical devices. Due to the absence of a monitoring agency who can watch over medical devices, and in keeping with SFDA's mandate in this connection, the authority has created an integrated monitoring and control system which enables it to take full control of medical devices to ensure safety of patients and users. The medical devices sector has published the Medical Devices Interim Regulation and a set of 8 implementing rules. These regulations are facilitated through a set of electronic systems, among which are Medical Devices National Registry, MDNR. The Medical Devices National Registry, MDNR, is a web-based enrollment system for keeping up-to-date records of corporate organizations, manufacturers, agents, and suppliers of medical devices in Saudi Arabia. MDNR aims at collecting and maintaining the information required for medical devices, firm registration, and medical devices listing, establishing and maintaining a profile of the KSA medical devices market, and providing information on the companies involved in the manufacture and/or the supply of medical devices for use in the KSA, supplying information on medical devices that will be supplied to the KSA. The system was launched in November 2007. Medical Devices Establishment Licensing, MDEL. The Medical Device Establishment Licensing System, MDEL, enables companies, importers, distributors, and authorized representatives to submit their medical device establishment license applications electronically. The system allows classification of medical devices establishments and identifying their activities based on the data submitted by applicants. Establishment licensing is intended to ensure that any organization doing business in the field of medical devices is able to undertake all necessary customs procedures and to comply with the manufacturer's requirements for storage, transportation, handling, and tracing the medical devices it imports or distributes. The system was launched in September 2009. Medical Devices Marketing Authorization, MDMA. The Medical Devices Marketing Authorization (MDMA) consists of a facility for the submission of marketing authorization applications by authorized representatives of local or overseas manufacturers and a case management system which receives the marketing authorization applications and facilitates the processing of these applications by SFDA staff and conformity assessment bodies. The outcome of this process will result in the marketing authorization being issued or the application being rejected. National Center for Medical Devices Reporting, NCMDR. The National Center for Medical Devices Reporting, NCMDR, is an organization managing an information database on the safety and performance-related aspects of medical devices. Developed in collaboration with the U.S. Emergency Care Research Institute, ECRI, the system has the capability to take appropriate action on any confirmed problems. The NCMDR has many objectives which include improving existing measures for the protection of the health and safety of patients, users, and others, and encouraging the reporting of adverse events by medical device institutions and users, manufacturers, authorized representatives, and organizations involved in supplying medical devices to the KSA. The NCMDR has full leverage membership of GHTF, NCAR, Global Harmonization Task Force, National Competent Authority Report, and AHWP, SADS, Asian Harmonization Working Party, Safety Alert Dissemination System. The system was launched in January 2008. Shipment Notification System, SNS. Shipment Notification System, SNS, is a mandatory online shipment notification system originally created to help both the importer and the SFDA minimize the time needed for clearance at the designated ports of entry, DPOEs. The system automatically sends a notification informing of a shipment number to the importer's email after the data is submitted. This system is to be used by importers of medical devices as it enables them to post early notification to the SFDA about upcoming shipments. The system was launched in May 2010. Electronic Designation System, CAB. The Conformity Assessment Body, CAB, electronic system is an online system enabling candidate CABs to submit their applications to be approved and recognized as third parties for operation under SFDA Medical Device Interim Regulation, MDIR. The system is designed to verify a candidate CAB's knowledge and experience in carrying out the following duties required by the Medical Devices Interim Regulation. Today, we meet to emphasize our awareness of the fact that we are part of a growing world whose civilization is moving forward at an accelerated rate of development. Our goal is leadership, and our success is to keep pace with the world of today. As long as those values are sustained in the interest of the safety of man, a principle that is upheld with consensus across the various languages, cultures, and civilizations.